Once upon a time, in the magical land of Asgard, there lived a mighty and brave warrior named Thor. He had a powerful hammer called Mjölnir that he used to keep the peace across the realms. Thor had a wise father named Odin and a mischievous brother named Loki. Though they often clashed, the bonds of family always held strong. One day, the skies darkened and a chilling wind swept through the streets of Asgard. An ancient enemy, known as the Dark Elves, had returned, and they yearned to spread darkness across the universe. Their leader, Malekith, was heartless, and he possessed a terrifying weapon called the Ether. This weapon had the power to turn light into shadow and happiness into despair. Thor knew that they had to stop Malekith from covering everything in darkness. With a determined heart and the bravery of his beloved friends, Thor set out on a perilous journey to confront the Dark Elves. Alongside him was Lady Sif, a fellow warrior with unmatched skill and courage, and the adventurous trio of friends he had fought alongside many times. But the path was not easy, for Malekith had many tricks and traps to try to overcome Thor's team. The Dark Elves hid themselves in the shadows and tried to capture Thor in illusions, but he smashed through them all with his trusty hammer and unwavering spirit. As the heroes approached the dark world where Malekith awaited, Thor suddenly realized the importance of light and friendship. It was his caring nature and powerful connections that gave him strength against the darkness. With a clever plan and the force of their united effort, they managed to outwit Malekith and fend off the spread of shadow. Light returned to all corners of Asgard and the universe, and everyone rejoiced in the victory of hope over fear. Asgard glittered and shone with peace once again, and Thor knew that as long as he stayed true to himself and cherished those he held dear, they could overcome any obstacle the universe dared to throw their way. And so, the story of Thor and the Dark World remained a timeless tale of bravery, friendship, and triumph against the odds.